Who eats sweet potato? And it's not even fried. It's made with that weird wind thingy. It's an air fryer. Okay, I give up. I'm gonna set them right here. Sweet potato fries. Well, they look good and they smell good. Well, it won't hurt if I give it a try. Whoa, these are so good. I knew it! No, give me one. And I am Mohammed. And she is
Honey.
Welcome to our show, Simple,
Delicious,
and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Let's get started. Please wash your hands. Ingredients are sweet potato,
1 sweet potato,
onion powder,
a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder,
garlic powder,
a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder,
paprika powder,
a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika powder,
salt and pepper,
a 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and a pinch of ground pepper,
olive oil,
2 tablespoons of extra virgin cold pressed olive oil,
rosemary,
a 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary,
Italian season,
a 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasonings. Using a vegetable scrubber, we are going to scrub the dirt off and cut off the ends. Then we are going to use a mandolin to cut the sweet potato into a 1/4 inch size. We definitely recommend using a mandolin because using a knife to cut a sweet potato is extremely difficult. Not to mention, using a mandolin helps each fry come out the same size. We're going to soak in cold water for 30 minutes to an hour. Pat dry using paper towels. Then coat with olive oil. Shake if needed. Now we're going to place them in the air fryer at 400 for 10 to 13 minutes, depending on how crispy you like it. But make sure to preheat it for 2 to 3 minutes before. We recommend flipping them halfway through. This right here is our favorite tool in the kitchen and our best friend. We use it every day. It makes life so much easier, especially the fact that there is no oil, which makes fried foods much healthier, crispier, and tender. Check out our chicken video that we made using the air fryer. Let us know what other recipes you would like us to make with this amazing air fryer. After taking them out of the air fryer, we are going to add the seasonings and give them a good shake. You can also add some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Can you believe this sweet potato has fiber, minerals, calcium, vitamins A, B, and C, powerful antioxidants, high water content, and iron. And now to the enlightenment board. You get the crunch without deep frying. Only takes 10 minutes to cook. Great as a snack and a side dish. The seasonings give it a great punch. This week's shout out goes to Grandma Annie. We love you so much. Bismillah. Sweet potato is the way to go. This is very good. As you saw, me and sweet potatoes were not on good terms. Now we're besties. You want to try, honey?
No thanks. I Yummy, my tummies.
It's okay.
Help us make a difference in what kids eat by joining the SDH Squad today. Subscribe, like, and share to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle, friends, and neighbors.
Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads.
Tag SDH on Instagram whenever you make any of our delicious recipes.
And as always,
Simple, delicious, and healthy.
My name is Kids.
Hey kids! Oh, sorry.
Salt and pepper.
A fourth teaspoon.
Salt and pepper.
A fourth teaspoon of pink.
Salt and pepper.
Honey.
And pepper.
Oh, we're never gonna.
Bismillah.
Sorry.
My name is.
Hey kids.
Go inside.